While 2020 halted our lives as we knew it, it didn't stop gamers from gaming, especially with work from home becoming the norm. The gaming headset category saw plenty of launches with new players also entering this market. For the Digit Zero One award, the winner is chosen based purely on its performance, disregarding features, design, build, and price. This year, the Asus ROG Theta 7.1 won the Digit Zero One award for the best performing gaming headset. The ROG Theta 7.1 gaming headset delivers 7.1 surround sound with impressive fidelity. During our gaming test, the ROG Theta 7.1 delivered spectacular sound with solid directional awareness in a wide and expansive staging area. Here's what Asus had to say about their win.
The ROG Theta 7.1 is a new entrant into this market, but probably because of the basis of the Asus technology innovation capabilities, we have been able to launch one of the best headsets, the world's first AI noise cancellation gaming headset that we have come up with. Plus, it eliminates almost close to about 50 million background noise. It's tough to detect that, but yes, that's how the benchmark has been set. Plus, it's a delight for gamers as well as enthusiasts. So today, when work from home is mandatory, I think that's a device that a gamer in his break time would use it. Even when the work from home is happening, any executive would be using it. So this product is designed with a complete new vertical, probably a multi-vertical product line that has been created. And with the gaming peripherals as a segment that is growing in the recent months and in the coming future, I think it's a very good product for an end user to experience. Thank you.
While the winner impressed us with its performance, the runner-up in this category didn't lag far behind. The Logitech G733 Lightspeed bagged the title of the runner-up in this category. The Logitech G733 Lightspeed comes with DTS Headphones X 2.0 surround sound support, which works well to provide an extremely immersive gaming experience. Our only real gripe was the lack of passive isolation due to the slightly lackluster clamping force of the headset. Moving on to the Best Buy, the Cooler Master MH650 bagged this title. The Cooler Master MH650 is a pretty capable gaming headset which you can purchase for just over 5K. Equipped with virtual 7.1 surround sound, gaming with these headphones was a pleasant experience. The microphone is also pretty impressive for the price range. However, it does tend to pick up some ambient noise. Those were the top contenders in the gaming headset category. We'd like to thank all the brands for participating in the Digit Zero One Awards this year. The contenders pushed the envelope this year and we're really excited to see what 2021 has in store for us. Thank you.